This is our first official vlog. Going Lamar and play the game with the baby.
Choose transmission.
What do you do right here?
Choose car.
I want the fastest car.
Playing the same game. What you doing, man? Playing around. Your game didn't start yet. What is mine?
6 seconds.
So you gotta do a challenge.
You got a race.
Get a white car. We'll see who really wins when it's time. Well, he came in 3rd place. Well, he lost. Next game?
I don't know if he'll let me play again.
Nope. So we're gonna go play the next game, you guys. Trying to learn and playing the game. We had the arcade. You right. You right. That's slow. I see someone else doing it faster than that. Different part as well. Well, he's 3rd place again, you guys. How does it feel, Lamar?
It's alright.
3rd place. Next thing.
Well, guys, we're back home, and this is pretty much the ending to this vlog. We're just hanging out at home. By the way, I made that, just so y'all know. But we're just hanging out at home, chilling. Shoot the ball, Lamar. Shoot it. Or give it to me. He give it to me. I miss. Go get the ball, buddy.
Go get the ball.
Give me the ball.
Go get the ball.
Come on, throw me the ball so I can shoot it. Got the ball, y'all. I'm about to make it. Yeah. Bring me the ball.
Bring the ball.
Bring me the ball. Thank you. Assist. Oh, I made it. With the assist. Each other. But we appreciate you guys watching this, and we'll see you guys next video. Peace.
Peace.
Say bye-bye. Come on, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Alright, guys. Peace out.